Alright, so I just got these back from I&D, nice and beautiful and painted. I noticed in their install video they do not have this piece on though, so we're gonna go ahead and take that off. I don't have my tripod out here, but you just do this with one hand. Get a pry piece under here, and then you just push these clips down with your other hand, and you can pop this thing off. Then you push this one and this one as you're pulling away, and it'll come off here. It's really easy with two hands, so I'll just take it off here. Okay, after you have them off, it just pops off, and then we're going to slide the new one, the newly painted one, back on without one of these. Alright, so you just start this one back where you took it off from, and you gotta wiggle it in there pretty firmly until you get past this first clip. So first clip will go in the hole. There we go. Pops in, and push it in a little further, and then they all just go into place. Push, push, push. All snapped in. Oh, so much better.